Hello everyone, my name is Jake and welcome to this quick Canva tutorial. For this video, I'll be showing you how you can create a white outline for your photos that you can use for your YouTube thumbnail, for your Facebook post, Instagram post, or any other photo design that you can use in all social media platforms. So let's start right away. So from the home page, I want to create a YouTube thumbnail. Okay, and then let's say I'm gonna create a blank YouTube thumbnail, and I want it to be London. So what I want to do is search for a photo of London. Okay, let's see. Let's pick this one. Now this is a bit small, so you can adjust the size like that. Then just move it around. Just make sure it fits. Okay, so that's a good background. Now I want to go to my uploads. Okay, I'm gonna drag and drop this one. Now I want this photo to have a white outline. So what I'm gonna do, after clicking the photo, go to Effects, click Background Remover. Just wait for a few seconds. Depending on the photo, it can take up to 10-15 seconds, or sometimes it's very quick, just like this. So I'm gonna make this bigger. Okay, like this. Now I want this to be the white outline. So what you're gonna do, if you go to Effects, okay, click Duotone effect. It can be any color, it doesn't matter, because what you're gonna do, you see this image here, you click that and you can change the color. So what you want to do is click the top left, which is white for the highlights, and for the shadow you also want to change that to white, so everything is in white. Make sure you click apply, otherwise it will reset to the original image. Now you've got your white outline. I go back to my uploads, drag and drop this again here. Oh, make sure it doesn't cover the whole page. Now you go again to Effects and click Background Remover. Okay, and then you just resize it according to your outline. Okay. So for fine movements, it's better to use your arrow keys on your keyboards. Okay, does it look okay? Now it's a bit small, so you want to make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so that the outline fits. Now, it's not all the time that you will have a perfect outline, but you can adjust it accordingly to make it look like it's an intended effect. So there are photos that are perfect and have a good outline. Now this one, because of all the different curves and the adjustments, I'm just gonna make it look like this. So the important bit is that my head has a proper outline and all the rest of my body sort of like has an artistic effect outline. And that's how easy it is, guys. That's how you can make a white outline for your photos that you can use for your designs, especially for your YouTube thumbnail, to make them look professional and attractive. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the like button down below. And if you'd like more tutorials like this, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and keep your notification bell on. If there's anything else you would like me to show you, please comment down below and I will make a new video especially for you. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time. Bye bye.